Welcome to vlog episode 4 at Drive Protected. In today's video, I just finished, I guess not in today's video, but I just finished the PPF on the Ranger. Now we're gonna do a full how to disassemble Tesla Model 3 video. So I'm gonna be showing on this video that I'm about to film how to remove the headlights, the bumper, the camera, mirrors, upper moldings, lower moldings, and taillights, license plate, everything that you need to know how to remove to have a successful wrap or PPF, full PPF install. So we're gonna go ahead and film this video right now, and we'll shoot some behind the scenes of it or whatever. But it's gonna be a really in-depth video. It's probably gonna take me most of the afternoon to film, and then I'll start editing or edit it tomorrow. And then me and Eric, when Eric gets back from his trip tomorrow, we have a full content strategy meeting that we're going to do in the afternoon. So right now, it's kind of perfect time to film this because I'm here by myself and there's gonna be a lot of talking points, a lot of showing stuff. All right, Eric is back from his trip. And his car's in the shop. What does that mean? That means we're gonna work on this car. We're gonna do a full color change PPF wrap on it. We're gonna rip the satin black, we're gonna rip the satin clear PPF off.
Let me show you the inspiration behind this. Hold on a second. I just gotta pull this up. Where are we here?
Yeah,
Right
look
there.
at that. Look at that. That is deadly.
It's gonna look really good with the 35% window tint and the satin black Martian MW05 wheels. It's gonna look really good.
Yeah. So that's today's task: is get this cleaned up, disassembled. We'll film our how-to disassembly videos with this.
Tina, one of our staff members that works here, who does not want to be on camera, so we respect her privacy because of that. When I got this car in March and I wrapped it with our Defense Plus matte PPF, she says, I gave it 6 months and that wrap is off. I said, no, it'll be on longer than 6 months, but today's June 10th and my math is not good, but I know that that's less than 6 months. She's right.
All right, there you go, Tina. You win again.
Yeah.
All right, now that we got the wrap removed, now we gotta do a full wash on this thing and get it ready to install the satin black PPF wrap, which is gonna look absolutely killer on this thing. You'll wanna move to the front, get the front popped off first, and then move towards the back, and pull up when you get to the back, because there's this little guy that hooks into the back there. So when you're putting it back in, make sure you hook. I realize that we haven't documented much of this for the vlog at all.
Good.
Good?
Why would we do that?
Why would we actually film a vlog when we film a vlog every week?
No point.
This is week 4.
Is it?
Yep.
Nice.
And I haven't got fired yet.
Once this job is done.
It's Friday. We are so close to being done wrapping Eric's Model Y. We did a ton of disassembly videos on that. Those are all on YouTube, like I said before. And now it's fully wrapped satin black. We got a fender to do, or one quarter panel to do yet. Some people call it a rear fender. I call it a quarter panel because normally on vehicles, that's what its technical term is. And then the mirrors. So we got those to finish yet, and then some more disassembly. I got to reassemble the rear hatch and front bumper yet, once he's done with the front bumper. So It's looking super sick. I'll do some reveal B-roll at the end of this video for you guys, so stay tuned.
Now I'm gonna take my squeegee. I'm just gonna squeegee this down. Squeegee upwards. So I wanna get that PPF to lay down inside that groove. That's perfect.
We are rolling up on the final touches here. Eric is wrapping the last mirror. I am just letting some stuff dry on the quarter panel over there while I reassemble the
I'm
rest.
doing vinyl. I don't do vinyl, but I'm doing vinyl.
Are you actually vinyl wrapping that?
This is vinyl.
Oh.
I'm just doing the inside.
Okay.
Doing the inside.
So he's gonna do the inside of vinyl. And then the rest of PPF?
The rest is gonna be PPF. The reason being is our satin black Defense Plus PPF has got a hydrophobic top coat built in, and it's very hard to wrap on top of that. Whereas this is,
Here we go. I'm not giving you guys a full reveal until after the car is washed and I'm gonna do some B-roll. But this is what you guys are getting for now. So deal with it. Drop a like, comment, subscribe. We gotta pop that bubble. Okay, she's murdered. How do you feel about this?
I think it looks absolutely amazing.
So if I go start peeling that off right now, you're not gonna be very happy?
I dare you.
I won't.
Say that. I dare you.
Man. Drop a comment, guys. Let us know what you guys think of the satin black PPF. So nice of you to end the week by cleaning my car for me.
I know.
Like-
You're such a good worker. You've made such a strong impression in the first month. I figured I'd clean my car so you can drive it home.
All right, guys, that's it for this week's vlog. Any last words, Eric?
Drive protected.
Drive protected. Link below if you guys need PPF. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for hanging out with us this week. Short vlog, but we had fun. We got a lot of stuff done this week. So,
Take care.
have a great weekend.
You bet.
Signing off. DriveProtected.com.